Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your first sale on Gumroad. First, you need to identify a clear problem your potential customers are facing. Once you understand their pain points, create a valuable digital product that offers a direct solution. This could be an ebook, a template, or a course. Make sure your product is polished and ready for immediate delivery, providing excellent value right from the start. Next, it's time to set up your product page on Gumroad. Craft a compelling description that highlights the benefits and features of your offering. Choose a fair price point. Consider offering an introductory discount to attract early adopters. Don't forget to include high-quality images or videos that showcase your product effectively. A clear call to action will guide your visitors toward making a purchase. Now that your product is live, it's time to promote it. Share your Gumroad link widely across your social media channels like Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Actively participate in relevant online communities and forums, offering value before subtly introducing your product. Consider running a special launch discount for the first 24 or 48 hours, or provide a free chapter to entice potential buyers. After your first sale, the journey continues. Actively seek feedback from your early customers to refine and improve your product. Start building an email list to nurture relationships and announce future updates or new releases. Think about creating complementary products or different versions to cater to a wider audience. Consistent effort in these areas will help you achieve many more successful sales on Gumroad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.